Hi guys, this is Val and welcome back for another video. I know you see the title, I know you see this beautiful thumbnail. Guys, what I'm gonna be doing today is some simple stew liver, brown stew liver with some pumpkin rice, guys. The liver is already washed. What I'm gonna do is just put some seasoning on it. I have a liver video on the channel already. I'm going to link that liver video. I have some pimento seed already on it, and I have onion, garlic, scallion and thyme, some tomatoes, sweet pepper, I have ginger, a piece of ginger, black pepper, I have some Worcestershire, I have some light dark soy sauce, lemon pepper. I won't be using any salt because this has a lot of salt in it. The little paprika. Alright, I'm going to grate some garlic or shred, whatever, yes. Three pegs of garlic. This is 2 pounds of liver, but you know, by the time I clean it up, it becomes less than 2 pounds. You know, so using three good sized pegs of garlic. Alright. I have a small piece of ginger. Wow. Small amount. It's about a teaspoon or half teaspoon of lemon pepper. Alright. Yeah, just a small amount of paprika, less than a teaspoon. Less than a teaspoon of paprika. I'm gonna use about a tablespoon of the soy sauce. Alright. Small amount of black pepper. Small amount, so. So we know that, guys, you know that liver is very easy to cook. As a season, you can just put it on the stove and start cooking, right? You can just start the cooking process. Alright. Looks so nice already, don't it? Yep. That is that. Here is some cooking oil. So I'm gonna put in my liver. After some warm water, remember here guys, warm water. Alright, we're not ready to put it in the water out yet anyways. Alright, so I'm just gonna cover it down for a while and then come back. Okay, guys, here's what I'm gonna use in my pumpkin rice. Here are the ingredients. I have coconut powder, I have a little piece of scallion and garlic and a green pepper. This is a pumpkin. I'm gonna use about a pound of rice. That's about 2 cups of rice I'm gonna be using, so I'm not using a lot of pumpkin. All right, so you can either dice it or shred it. All right, so I'm dicing them today. smells nice. Oh, smells sweet. Ooh, sweet and val. Sweet and girl. Guys, anything at all you cook. Anybody anything at all you cook it up sweet. Okay, all you cook it for eat it. You know some of the case and cook that you put something here, it does come out perfect. Let us some water. Warm water. Make it cook. Yeah, I'm gonna put in them seasoning here now. Yeah, let me just put in these seasoning and let everything just go and cook because the liver real soft. Soft. Some country pepper. Alright. Turn on the stove. Some more warm water. Cover down. To take our time and cook. Let it just take time and cook, alright? Yes, it's the water for the rice. Okay. So guys, the liver is cooked, but you just want to cook them a little more. You want to give it a little thicker than this. Yeah. Alright. I'm gonna put in the pumpkin, a piece of scallion, garlic, and the pumpkin. Alright. In a small amount. Some coconut powder. That's the flavor. You don't know when you're cooking, guys. Turn up your pot. Turn up the flavor. A small amount of salt to taste. Like a butter. So we're gonna let this come together, start boiling, and then we'll come and add in our rice. Alright? Guys, remember to taste your pot. Alright? Yes, this is the right consistency that I'm looking for. Yes, so I can turn it off now. Alright. Taste your pot, guys. Taste your pot, as in taste your food when you're cooking. Alright? Yeah, that is that. Yes, that is it. Get out this, you don't want it to mash. Yeah, let's stir it, kind of fluff it up, but it cook. It look like them cook, it steam it nice. It's perfect. Perfect, guys. Perfect. Yes, sir. Alright, can turn off the stove and share a plate. Steaming hot. Okay. look here how small it is, guys. Have a little vegetable to balance the rice. You know, the meat good, but the rice it starts. So look here how small it is. Just have a little vegetable. Alright, so guys, wow, I can't wait for dig into this right now. Anyway guys, thank you all for watching. Please remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the post notification bell, put the settings on all, and give me a thumbs up. See you all in the next video, and bye.